everyone, and welcome back to our English learning course. This is Lesson 13, and today we are diving into another very practical topic, Shopping in English Part 3, Electronics and Household Items. We all need to buy electronics or home goods at some point, things like phones, laptops or TVs, kitchen items like a blender or a microwave, household essentials like cleaning supplies, light bulbs, or furniture. But shopping for these items can sometimes be confusing, especially if you're not sure how to explain what you want in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask for electronics or household items confidently, understand key vocabulary brands, sizes, prices, features, compare items and ask about warranties, role-play real conversations between customers and shop assistants. So let's get started and make shopping for electronics in English super easy. 2. Vocabulary. Electronics and household shopping. Here's some essential vocabulary for today's lesson. A. Electronics, smartphone, mobile phone, iPhone, Samsung, etc. Laptop, computer, tablet, different devices, television, TV, flat screen, smart TV, LED, 4K, headphones, earphones, earbuds for listening, charger, power bank, to charge devices, camera, digital camera, DSLR, speakers, Bluetooth speakers, sound system. B. Household items, refrigerator, fridge, for keeping food cold, microwave for heating food, blender, mixer, for making juice or smoothies, washing machine for clothes, vacuum cleaner for cleaning, iron for clothes, furniture, sofa, chair, table, bed, light bulb, lamp, for lighting. C. Useful shopping words, brand, the company name, Apple, Sony, LG, warranty, guarantee that the product works for a time, discount, sale, offer, reduced price, receipt, paper showing what you paid, exchange, return, to give back the product, features, special functions, camera quality, battery life, delivery, when the shop sends items to your home. 3. Key phrases for electronics and household shopping. Here are the phrases you need. A. Asking about products. Excuse me, do you sell laptops here? I'm looking for a new smartphone. Do you have this in stock? What brands do you have? B. Asking about price and discounts. How much is this? Is this on sale? Do you have any discounts for students? What's the final price after discount? C. Talking about features. Does this TV have 4K resolution? How long does the battery last? Is this phone waterproof? Does this washing machine have a warranty? D. Buying in payment. I'd like to buy this one. Can I pay by credit card? Do you offer home delivery? Can I return it if there's a problem? 4. Dialogue practice. Here are 2 real-life conversations you might have in a shop. Dialogue 1. Buying a smartphone customer. Excuse me, do you sell smartphones here? Shop assistant. Yes, we do. What brand are you looking for? Customer. I'm looking for a Samsung phone. Something with a good camera. Shop assistant. Sure, this model has a 48 megapixel camera and long battery life. Customer. That sounds good. How much is it? Shop assistant. It's $550. But today we have a 10% discount. Customer. Nice. Does it come with a warranty? Shop assistant. Yes. 1-year warranty. Customer. Great. I'll take it. Dialogue 2. Buying a washing machine. Customer. Hello. I need a washing machine. Do you have any in stock? Shop assistant. Yes, we have several models. Do you want a small or large one? Customer. A medium size would be good. What's the price range? Shop assistant. They start from $300 and go up to $700, depending on the features. Customer. What's the difference between this $350 one and the $500 one? Shop assistant. The $500 one is energy efficient and has more washing modes. Customer. Okay, I think I'll choose the $500 one. Do you deliver? Shop assistant. Yes, we offer free delivery within the city. Customer. Perfect, I'll take it. 5. Comparing items when shopping. You often compare products. Here are some useful structures. This one is cheaper than that one. That TV is bigger, but this one is clearer. The laptop is more expensive, but it's faster. This washing machine is less noisy than the other one. Grammar tip. Use comparatives: bigger, cheaper, faster, more expensive, less noisy. 6. Cultural notes. In many Western countries, returns and exchanges are easy. You just bring the receipt. In some countries, bargaining is possible in local shops or markets, but not in big electronic stores. Online shopping is popular, but always check reviews before buying. Electronics usually come with a warranty. Always ask before paying. 7. Practice exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Excuse me, do you dash laptops here? How much dash this washing machine? Does this phone dash with a warranty? Can I dash by credit card? Exercise 2. Role play. One person is the customer, the other is the shop assistant. Practice asking about a TV, laptop, or household item. Switch roles and repeat. Exercise 3. Compare two products. Example. Phone A, $600. Big screen, no warranty. Phone B, $500. Smaller screen, 1-year warranty. Say which one you would buy and why. 8. Summary and closing. Today we learned vocabulary for electronics: phone, laptop, TV, charger, warranty. Vocabulary for household items: fridge, microwave, washing machine, vacuum. Key phrases to ask about price, features, discounts, and warranty. How to compare products in English. Full dialogues for real-life practice. Great job! In the next lesson, Lesson 14, we'll move to another very common daily life situation, at the doctor's, talking about health in English. This will help you explain symptoms, understand advice, and feel confident visiting a doctor in English-speaking countries. Until then, keep practicing today's vocabulary. Next time you go shopping for electronics or home items, try to use one or two of these English phrases. See you in Lesson 14. Bye for now.